Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and set up this Harris Humane mouse trap that I bought off of Amazon, and this is catch and release. So all you have to do is put some bait in it, then you catch the mouse, and then you release it. It's that simple. So this is very inexpensive. I think it was about $9 off of Amazon, and this is what it looks like up close. So you have this side where you can lift up, and then you can put some bait in here. And then this side, the mouse will crawl in, so this door will be down, and then there will be bait on the back side here. And once the mouse crawls inside here, it will go onto this side, where once you press this kind of plastic down right here, it will close the door on the opposite side. So it's that easy. So let's press this door down, and it will stay closed. Now let's take some candy here. So I got a payday bar, and I'm just going to get a little bit off, just like this. And I'm going to put this inside my mouse trap. And I'm going to place it in there on that little plastic pad. So the mouse will get a little bit of a treat. And also I'll be able to just put it outside after I catch it. So I'm going to put the door back on there. And then I'm going to put this into an area where I've been having a mouse kind of like jump up on my countertops. So right over actually by my toaster oven. So I'm going to put this down over here and see if I can catch anything overnight. So I was unsuccessful last night trying to catch the mouse in my house. I'm going to go ahead and place some peanut butter in here on the trap instead of using just the payday bar and see if that's a little bit more useful. Also, I did want to point out there is multiple air holes on this trap. So you got 4 on top, and then there's a bunch on the front gate right here. Then also this back panel, you can see there's holes on it as well. So the mouse shouldn't suffocate when it's in here. And that is one of the negatives I read about on Amazon before purchasing this. I think they sold a different version of this mouse trap that didn't have any of those holes in it previously. So I'm going to set this back up again tonight and see if we can catch something. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out, get a closer look of what this mouse trap is like. And if it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.